Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Thursday, April 23, 2026. We'll be covering key market moves including indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes ended the day in the red. The S&P 500 index closed at 7,108.4, down 29.85 points. It remains in a very strong positive trend, but flat for 3 days. The Dow 30 index saw a drop of 179.73 points to 49,310.31, also with a strong positive trend, but flat. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite fell by 219.6 to 24,438.50, holding its very strong upward momentum. In terms of market breadth, the Nasdaq Composite Index had significantly more declines than advances today. Russell 2000 Index also showed more decliners at 1,031 compared to 779 advancers. Despite downward closing price trends, multi-day trends remain positive across major indexes, including Dow 30, with balanced day-to-day moves. Looking at returns, indexes reflected particular monthly strengths. The Nasdaq Composite Index had the steadiest monthly advance with a total return of 13.19%. While the weekly return metrics were generally negative, the year-to-date returns confirmed strong market momentum, led by the S&P 400 Mid-Cap Index at a remarkable 9.93%. The utilities sector led gains today, closing at 468.89, up 2.8%. The industrials and consumer defensive sectors also performed well, each climbing 1.7%. Real estate saw a 1.2% rise, maintaining its positive trend, and the energy sector marked its fourth consecutive day of upward closes. The technology sector took a hit with a 1.4% decline, closing at 5,989.18, as trends remain very positive. The consumer cyclical sector broke downward after a 4-day flat streak, while financial services also fell for a third day. Smaller declines were recorded in communication services and basic materials. Global ETFs posted modest gains with Israel, Malaysia, and Switzerland each closing positive. Israel, represented by iShares ETF, rose slightly, showing a very strong positive trend. Similarly, Malaysia and Switzerland marked consecutive daily advances, upholding strong trend signals. Monthly returns show the Israel iShares ETF delivering a near 9.86% gain, while Finland posted a 7.59% climb. The year-to-date numbers highlight strong trends with both Israel and Finland, leading at over 10% growth, cementing their market momentum. In the technology sector, Apple closed at 273.43, gaining only 0.26 points with a very strong positive trend. Similarly, Alphabet's price rose slightly, closing at 337.75. In contrast, Meta Platforms dropped 15.57 points, breaking a previous flat line at 659.15.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 77,884.20, down by 324.32. It's showing a mixed positive trend. Ethereum has dropped 52.16 to 2,323.5, losing over 2%, while BNB is slightly down at 636.82, with a mixed negative trend. Solana remains flat for 6 days, currentently priced at 85.65. Dogecoin dollars the trend, gaining momentum with a 0.00093 rise to 0.0966. Looking at recent returns, Bitcoin shows a week-to-date return of 5.5%, while year-to-date it's down by over 10%. Ethereum mirrors a mixed pattern with a similar trend. BNB holds a week-to-date gain of 3.35%, but is down over 26% for the year. Solana's 6-day flat streak reflects a year-to-date decrease over 31%. Meanwhile, Dogecoin heads up 3.79% this week, although it faces a 17% yearly drop.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Today, the US dollar is making gains across key global currencies. Against the euro, it rose to 0.8556, gaining 0.0017. Meanwhile, versus the British pound, it climbed to 0.7427, breaking upwards after 5 days of flat movement. Both exhibit a prevailing negative trend despite today's rise.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.